Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with CEA Study Abroad for international learning step by step. Visit the CEA Study Abroad website. Explore the programs offered to find one that suits your academic goals. Review the eligibility requirements for your chosen program. Create an account on the CEA website to begin your application. Complete the online application form with your personal information. Upload any required documents, such as transcripts and a passport copy. Review your application to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Submit your application before the specified deadline. Wait for confirmation of your application submission via email. Check your email regularly for any additional requests or updates from CEA. Schedule a virtual information session if needed to clarify your program details. Attend any pre-departure meetings offered by CEA to prepare for your experience. Arrange for financial aid or scholarships through your university or CEA. Confirm your acceptance into the program once you receive an offer. Follow the instructions for confirming your enrollment and making any necessary payments. Prepare for your study abroad experience by researching your host country and culture. Pack essential items and ensure you have all necessary travel documents ready. Stay in touch with your program advisor for any last-minute questions or concerns. Travel to your destination with excitement and an open mind. Engage fully in the program and make the most of your international learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.